What's the tea, everybody? Hi, today's Friday, and Fridays are always a drag. And in today's video, we're doing Mix Roxy Andrews promo look from Rupauls Drag Race All Star Season 9, and that's what we came with. If you don't know me, I'm Elaina. I usually do reviews, tutorials, drag makeup looks, celebrity impersonations, you name it. Just check out my channel later. And in this video, we're doing this look. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media, and let's get right into this. I have to apologize for the sound quality. If you see me flapping my lips and they don't match the sound, it's because I have to re-record everything. My microphone either wasn't plugged in correctly or it's broken. I still have to check. So sorry, there is no sound. So I have to re-record everything as much as I remember. So I already applied foundation. This is Smashbox Always On foundation, and we're doing the eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil, and this is just a sketch. Her eyebrows are very distinct from any other queen. They're pretty much like almost like McDonald's arches, like a M shape, all the way up and all the way down. So we're trying to recreate that shape, and then we're gonna highlight under eyebrow, of course, and everything. But this is just a sketch. So I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer, and this is number one, and it's not white, but it's very light. So we're gonna add white later with kimchi probably. So this one is thick. I like the texture. It covers well. So Roxy Andrews highlight is very bright. Like the middle of her face is really almost nearly white. So we need to create this brightness under eyes, under the eyebrows, in the middle of the forehead, like really bright. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just blending with a sponge, and we're gonna fix around the eyebrow with a brush later. I'm still so upset about the microphone not working. It was such a long talking video, and now I ended up doing a voiceover because I hope the microphone is still working. I'm just talking to myself because I really like that microphone. So now, after we blend the highlight, when we get to contour, we're gonna contour the forehead and the cheeks, but not under the chin. So I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick in pink, and she contours under her cheeks pretty low. I think to counteract her thick and juicy shape, that's what she calls herself, right? And her face is like the opposite of mine. It's very thick and juicy, pretty much. But my face is very triangular, so we're not gonna do the chin contour. Instead of the chin contour, I'm going to actually try to give myself a little bit of a double chin, not in the shade, just like to make myself look a little thicker on the bottom because my bottom is very thin, like the chin. So I'm contouring around in my cheeks because she does that too, round in cheeks. So I took this little tiny brush and the same contour stick. So now we're drawing a little chin strap. So the illusions like this, they pretty much look best in the pictures and in the video, like straight on, because otherwise you'll see the lines. It's pretty much the illusion only looks the best straightforward, but it's pretty much all the drag is. Like, isn't that the truth? Like, the drag is best to be looked at straightforward. So Rock'em Socker always say that. So I'm using a little lightness under the chin strap to create the contrast. And now we're doing the same similar thing with the nose. Her nose is longer and her nostrils are pointing upwards. It seems to be the trend. A lot of people I'm doing, drag queens, have longer nose. And I find that shape very attractive actually, but my nose is the opposite. So I have to give myself a longer nose. And now we're doing, I already set myself obviously. Doing contour with Kimchi Chic contour. Taylor Contour 03 Chocolate, still going around the same lines, around in the cheeks. And emphasizing my double chin. Yeah, I'm so shady. And the nose still looks normal, but once you emphasize all the lines, like darken it, it's gonna look a little more long and different shape. So blending everything and doing the nose contour with the same contour powder. And I'm going to create her nose. So she makes her nose shorter with that little line. So it's kind of a trippy because I'm trying to make my shorter nose look longer as if I'm trying to make it look shorter. It's very strange, but you know what I mean. I do the under the nose shape to make the nose look longer. You see what I did here? And I color the bottom of my nose, like under the nose light, to make it look like it's actually long. I don't know if you know what I'm saying, but you'll see what comes out. You see, it kind of looks like it's long, but you know, I'm trying to make it look shorter. And the nostrils are more of upwards, and my nostrils are not the same, so I kind of painted the brown. And it only looks good in the pictures, otherwise you look like you have poop up your nose. And this is Kimchi Chic bronzer. I went to Miami, all cracked as I showed you. I dropped it and I fixed it. So this is Taco by Sugar Pill. That's my favorite white. And Narvina 3. We use in pressed pigments for the orange. Yeah, I'm checking the number. I forgot which Narvina it is. The makeup was orange to match her like an orange outfit, and I hate orange, so I don't really have much orange in clothes. It's my least favorite colors. So just blend in the line. Her makeup is very simple. When you look at Roxxxy, all you see the eyelashes. So it's mostly like the eyeliner eyelashes. So you see what I created with eyeliner, and I'm using gel liner by Beauty Bay to create the shape. She has hooded eyes and she covers her whole eyelid with eyeliner. Well, my eyes are different. If I do that, my eyes are going to look like raccoon, huge. And this is the opposite we're trying to do. So I'm trying to create the same kind of shape, but not covering my eyelid, because otherwise it's just not going to look similar. So I'm doing this little triangle, so when I open my eyes, it's still going to look like her shape. And this is brownish color from her palette from Narbina, and we're creating kind of a more of a straighter line because her eyes shape is very blended out, very smoked down to create like a bigger eye effect, because her eyes are pretty small as a boy, like it's very squinty. So, and my eyes are opposite, so I'm trying to create a similar makeup look, but my eye shape is different, so of course I have to make adjustments for it. And blending this all out, I'm going to add the gems later because there's a lot of gems involved. So creating another line here to create the new crease, which like she doesn't have that crease because obviously she has hooded eyes. So I'm trying to make myself look like I have hooded eyes and I gave myself a crease. It's kind of stupid, but you know what I mean. It's the makeup look, so I'm trying to create the same shape very much. And using the same oranges for the blush because we want to match, and this is pressed pigment, so you have to be careful. I'm tapping the brush on my hand, make sure it's not too patchy because those pressed pigments are no joke. So make myself nice and bright and tan. So here I'm explaining what I did. I put a bunch of gems like red, orange, gold, and under the brows. She has those kind of gems under the brows and a lot of makeup looks, like most of them. And I drew some hairs on the eyebrows a little bit. And these are 3 pairs of eyelashes, 3 ones, and 2 pairs from Amazon, like huge ones. So created, because her look is literally like eyelash. When you look at her, all you'll see is eyelashes. And this is Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. So here's the thing, in the promo look, when you look at the picture, it looks like she was completely matte. And I think because they don't like shine, like in photo shoots. And in real life, she likes a lot of highlights. So I'm gonna put the Roxxxy highlight, lots and lots of highlight on the cheeks. And this is Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner. I think it's called Cranberry, if I'm not mistaken. I forget. And the lips are going to be pale. This is like she's after my heart. She's my kind of girl. Pale lip and darker lip liner. I love that look. I know it might be a little tacky in some people's opinion, but I love it. And this is stripped liquid lipstick, and we're gonna put some more white in the middle because clearly it's not white enough. And this is Wet n Wild white lipstick. It's like Halloween edition. It's really cheap. They usually put it out for Halloween, but it's very decent actually. It's very high coverage, very opaque. It's great to add for the like a lip highlight. And then we're gonna put the lip gloss on top, and that's gonna be the end of the makeup. And I'll come back snatched in the. And she's here, Roxy Andrews, thick and juicy. I don't remember what I was saying there, but I wish I had the sound, but again, I apologize. I used the wig that I already have, and the earrings are on top of my wig, which I thought I came up with this. I actually did it in one of the other makeup looks, and she actually had that in her promo look. When you look at the picture, I'm gonna insert it here. She has earrings hanging on her wig. Great minds think alike. I see you, Roxy. So this is the whole look with the gems and everything. I think we achieved some kind of resemblance. Our face shapes are completely different, but as you can see, the nose strap and the chin strap kind of gives you illusions when you look straight ahead. I put the beauty marks where she usually puts them in the eyes and the mouth, and we achieved this look. So let me know what you guys think. And who else would you like me to do? I'm gonna try to do all the queens in this season. And leave me a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and follow me on social media if you like. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next fabulous video. Hey, Bye!